Welcome back to the Well-Nourished Homemaker. If you are new, my name is Audrey. This channel is meant to help inspire you to care for your well-being by discovering what delights your soul, nurturing your feminine beauty, and igniting in you that deep desire to prioritize your wellness as a woman, mind, body, heart, and soul. Not with control or obsession, but with joy and purpose. I'm here to encourage and motivate you to get in that workout, read your Bible, be present, and enjoy the little things in the seemingly everyday, mundane moments. So grab yourself a cup of coffee or tea and let's get started. Alright, good morning ladies. I just made myself a cup of coffee. I'm gonna go out and get some sunshine. I have my oatmeal cookie and I just wanted to start the vlog for you ladies. We're gonna get in our workout, and then I have a few things new when it comes to my morning routine, so I'm gonna show you that. If you enjoyed today's video, and let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, something I've been doing in the morning lately is, instead of just having like my coconut water, I'll mix everything together, protein powder and my greens, and I just chug it. I just get it over with. I get these two I found at Walmart, the pumpkin protein, and this has 9 grams of protein, and this is the hemp, and it has 11. So this altogether is 20, and then I'll go in and add 2 scoops of, with my greens, collagen protein powder, which I'm almost out of actually, so I'm gonna have to get more of that. But yeah, it's not pleasant. I have to plug my nose, but it's just one of those things where I can just like feel good about knowing that I'm gonna get in my greens and all of my vitamins and minerals and just feeling more nourished. And then, like I said, I go in with my coconut water. Again, this, you get your magnesium, potassium, hydrating, very nutrient dense. I always thought, like on game shows where they plug their nose, that they're just trying to avoid the smell. But actually, if you plug your nose, you can't taste anything. So, little trick there. All right, ladies, I'm really trying to decide what I want to do. I know I should go for a walk. I'm just feeling a little tired, but I know once I get moving, I get that energy back. I'm just trying to motivate myself to go for a walk. Maybe we can change things up and go for a walk on the bike path. I still want to make those gummies that I talked about in my last vlog. I'm pretty full right now, so I'm not really hungry to make breakfast. That green juice and the oatmeal cookie really does fill me up. Been doing a lot of juicing, and I've been like making a lot of my own recipes, and I've been listening to the Jillian Berry podcast. She interviews a lot of people who do like cleanses and detoxes and does the raw vegan. I've noticed still that I continue to get full faster and I'm not as hungry. So again, I think it just goes back to getting in your nutrients, and your body absorbs that and it says, okay, we're good. Like we have the nutrients that we need. And I think that's why a lot of people, you naturally get to your body's ideal weight, and you don't even have to try. I've noticed that I haven't been tracking calories or really worrying about overeating or anything like that. It's just very intuitive. I do a lot of mono eating, so sometimes I'll substitute like a meal for just fruit. So I'll just eat pineapple or mango or as much as I want until I feel full, and that has been really helping with like my energy but also hydration. So I got the Ninja juicer, but there was a company that actually sent me a juicer that we're going to test out probably today. It's always nice to have like a backup, although I told my friend about it and she's like, I want it. So I'll probably give it to her. I got a really good knife set. I think that's really important. Transition over into like vegan and doing a lot of juicing and meal prepping, because you really want a good knife set. And this one, I think, I forget exactly what it's called, but it's actually where the metal is inside of the knife. I'm not really for sure, but my husband told me what it was called, but I forget now. Basically, like, they really last a long time. We're gonna get dressed and then we will go for our morning walk. I decided to take an evening walk today just because I don't have much energy this morning, but I went ahead and got dressed. I put on some mom jeans. I found these at Goodwill the other day, and this top at Marshall's. I think I've decided we might go to the lake, and I need to pick up some of my protein powder. I alternate between the two, so if I don't order it enough in time to come before I'm out, I'll get the one at the market. So let's go ahead and head out. Getting ready to juice, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is. I timed it once and it only took me like 15 minutes, and that was the cleanup and prep and everything. So it really does not take you as long as you think. And I usually use the Ninja. I ended up getting this, and then of course no sooner after that a company reached out to me and asked to send me this one. So this is what we're going to test out today. I'm going to kind of compare the two, but you can get this at Walmart. I think it was like $130, but I mean, well worth it. And a lot of people are skeptical when it comes to juicing because they think, you know, where's all the fiber going? And it does remove the insoluble fiber, but it keeps the soluble fiber. Just one green juice can have several servings of fruit and vegetables. It's very highly concentrated, and you're getting so much nutrients, and it's going to hydrate you on a cellular level because the water contained in fruit is like structured water, because it absorbs all those nutrients and minerals and things from the ground. So I do like to add my enzymes with it as well, because unfortunately the soil can be stripped of those enzymes. So just be aware of that. Like anytime you eat, just to take some sort of like digestive enzyme. I like the brand from Thorne. So this one here that I'm making is called the Lemon Ginger Blast. Now it does call for a handful of parsley and cilantro. With the outbreak going on right now, those are two highly susceptible ones. I'm gonna skip that part, but you can add beets, carrots. Like I said, it takes no time at all, and it's just a great way to feed your healthy gut bacteria, stay hydrated, get in your nutrients. My goal one day is to do like, I'm gonna start baby steps, but like a 7-day juice cleanse, and then work my way up to like 20, 30, 40 days. I think when I do decide to do a cleanse, I'll follow the Shane Sterling protocol. I'm not for sure if you're familiar with him, but he is a coach and he helps people do detoxes and cleanse and things. So that's what I've been up to lately, learning new recipes, and I really feel like just trying to heal my gut, especially if you have digestive issues. Something I've been doing is like the slippery elm in the morning, which on an empty stomach can be very soothing and healthy for your gut. It kind of coats from your throat all the way down to your intestines, like this protective shield to help if you have gut or any like lesions in your gut. It really helps with the integrity of your gut. So if you're somebody who's vegan and you don't want to do like bone broth, you can do slippery elm, and that can be very healing, along with L-glutamine. So those two right there, and then your digestive enzymes. And something like this, you could think like, okay, once you see like how much is here, to sit down and eat that all in one setting would be very harsh on your digestive tract, but also you would get full and you wouldn't get all those nutrients. That's another reason why I love to juice. And get yourself a good set of knives, because they're really going to come in handy. I started juicing before these knives, and I had these like really dull ones, and it was very frustrating. So good knife set is crucial. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off, and then we will move on to juicing. Don't make me laugh. All right, so we have the green apples. Okay, so we have the green apples, beets, mixed greens. I like the power greens. I don't know if you've seen those before, but they're like high in protein. Kale and celery, and then we have a whole thing of ginger, turmeric, and then a whole lemon. I usually do 2 oranges as well. And lastly, what you want to do, you can get cayenne peppers. I'll just stick with the powder. You just want a little dash of there, and honestly, you really don't taste it. It's not that bad. Cayenne pepper is very cleansing for your blood, and also like it helps with your metabolism and some other things I forget. But anyways, let's do. The interesting thing about this, with the Ninja, you kind of have to, if you've seen, like put it in a very small hole. So you have to chop it up finely, but I completely forgot. This is kind of like a huge container here, so you really don't have to do that. Here we go. All right, ladies, this is our juice. I will say I usually do cucumbers as well, but I was out. As far as the juicer goes, if it was like a first-time juicer and I didn't have anything to compare it to, I think I would like it, but comparing it to the Ninja, it's kind of hard. It took a little bit longer to juice, and the cleanup was probably double because I kept like, there was things that kept getting stuck down in there, and I'm sure once you get used to it, like it'll be like that. Overall, like it did the job, but I do want to give my honest review, especially if you're serious about juicing. So I think I would prefer the Ninja. Definitely good as a backup. You always want to have, especially if you're doing like a cleanse, you always want to have like a backup. Yeah, if you ladies are interested, I do like that it has like a lot more that you can fill. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my juice. I'm gonna sit out and get some sunshine, and we will see what else we can get into. All right, ladies, I'm getting ready to make myself a little late lunch, and this is the recipe that I've been playing around with to make a vegan pizza. I found this buckwheat toast at my local market. So buckwheat is very nutritious. It's not in the wheat family. It's gluten-free, it's organic ingredients. So I just spray that on, and then I'll lay it down. Just put a little bit of olive oil on. I put it on the lowest settings to simmer because we don't want to overcook anything. And then what I'll go in with is some sauce. Vegan mozzarella cheese is kind of like a little treat when it comes to, you know, eating this way. I don't want to overly consume on like all the vegan processed things. Overall, I try to eat like the whole food, plant-based, but as a little treat every now and then. These are the vegan pepperonis. So what I'll do is I'll just put that right on top. Go in with some Italian seasoning. One of my favorite Parmesan vegan cheeses, and it's made with cashew flour, yeast extract, onion, and sea salt. So it's like it's really good. I put it on my Caesar salads as well. Pretty simple and delicious at the same time, and you can still enjoy pizza. I'm going for my evening walk, and I wanted to share something with you ladies that I've been implementing in my wellness routine. It's really been helping me. If you ever struggle with anxiety or depression, even irritability, like an inability to like feel calm within your nervous system, you've tried dieting, exercising, all the things, and I started taking a magnesium plus complex and a B complex. I was doing some research, and it can directly inhibit your ability to feel calm within your nervous system if you are deficient. The B vitamins, magnesium. One of the things that can really deplete this in you is stress, coffee, certain things, and over time you can become so malnourished and depleted in that to where it starts affecting your nervous system. It's responsible for serotonin, dopamine, all those things, ability to be able to regulate, and really encourage any moms out there who are struggling with irritability or anger, depression, anxiety, start taking a B complex and a magnesium plus, and within a week you'll probably notice a huge difference in your mood. It's easy to look at, feel shame and guilt and to judge yourself, and you think it's a personality flaw or a spiritual problem, or just try to manage and to suppress, and you lean on prayer and all these things, but it could just be
a nutrient deficiency. I will share the ones that I've been doing recently. There's a mix that I have in the evening time, and it's really good. It tastes like sherbet and it's very clean ingredients. And then the B complex I take in the morning time when I wake up, as you've seen. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you ladies, because the best way to describe it is just feeling more calm, feeling more regulated, and who doesn't want that as a mother? So I'm just gonna continue my walk, and I'm gonna head back, and maybe I'll take a bath. I'm not for sure. That's definitely something that helps me as well when it comes